In this video, I will show you how you can connect Claude with LeafPad and directly start posting blogs. So if you have any interesting threads on Claude, since it already knows a lot about you and has a lot of memory, you can, or if you are on an interesting thread, you can directly go there, ask Claude to post a blog, and it will be live on your site. I will show you how you can do the connection with LeafPad MCP. So this is assuming you already have LeafPad set up. In case you don't, you can just sign up for a free account, head over to integrations. We have Ghost, Webflow, Framer. There are more coming in. You can do a one-click integrations with these, or if you are on Copilot or using Cursor, it's very easy to integrate. There are docs available, so you can find all the everything related to docs here. In this video, I will show you how we'll connect Claude so that we can directly start posting blogs. So if we head over to docs, we can see the section for Claude uh, LeafPad MCP. What we need here is this particular URL, and you can find step-by-step integrations in these docs as well. What we'll do is we'll head over to our Claude and go to settings. Now we'll go to connectors, add custom connector. We will name it LeafPad. We'll paste this link which we found from docs and we'll hit add, and that's it. So now I had already authenticated LeafPad before, so if you have not done it, you will see a screen where it will ask you to authenticate, but this is it. Now write an interesting blog based on our chat using LeafPad. And if we go to connectors, we can see LeafPad is already here, and oops, yeah, so we have this connected, and once we hit allow, this will start posting directly on your blog. So now this will create the blog and directly post it. Now we are seeing that it's asking permission to post the blog.